Hello guys, and it's Audrey, and yes, I am finally making a video. How long has it been? Well, let's not talk about it. Long story short, a lot of you guys have been asking about what I've been using on my face for my skincare routine. I've been getting a lot of questions and a lot of compliments from my friends, my coworkers. A lot of people I've been seeing telling me, Audrey, what do you use for your skin? The wait is finally over. I'm here to show you what I've been using on my skin. I'm very excited to show you the products that I am currently using. Now I will say this is a brand that I've been working with. I am a partner of theirs. So if you guys want to support me and are interested in trying the products that I use today in this video, please do. I'll leave a link down below. And guys, I have so much to tell you. Since the last video I made was, I think, like a year ago, a lot has changed since then, and we're just gonna get into it. I'm going to do my skincare while I am talking to you guys. But the first thing I'm using is the Artistry Advanced Softening Toner. This is really good for dry skin, really great for the winter time. What I really like about this toner is it doesn't strip my skin of its moisture or its natural oils. It puts all the moisture back in while still softening and double cleansing my face. I actually took a shower before this. I put on a whole bunch of lotion all over my body before I did this tutorial for you guys because I did not want my body looking dull and crusty. As I'm not gonna lie guys, I hate putting on body lotion. I don't know if it's just anyone else has this or feels the same way I do, but I really don't like putting on lotion, especially during the winter time, and waiting for it to go into my skin, into my pores, and then I put on a sweater and I feel the tackiness of the lotion on the sweater. Summertime is fine, but winter with the tackiness, it's questionable to me. I have sensitive skin, and I would say this hasn't irritated me at all. It feels like a baby's bottom after I use it. So the next thing I'm going to be using is an essence. If you guys don't know what an essence is, I like to call it holy water because that basically is what it is. This is just one I'm using. It's all right. It's not bad, but I just don't like to skip this step because I feel like an essence helps penetrate the products that are going to be following this. This one is Hanskin. It's like a Korean brand. I'm just going to get this much and press it into my skin. I'm not rolling it. These kinds of motions matter and make a difference versus me kind of just like rubbing it in and rubbing it on top of the surface. You want to like press it into your skin, and it also helps stimulate a lot of blood and oxygen on your face. And I also like to put whatever's left over on my neck because at this point you should know that as you get older you should always be putting some moisturizer or something on your neck as well because your neck does show easy signs of aging. You always want to make sure you're keeping your neck as firm as possible. I mean, you guys already know that, but if you don't, you're welcome. All right, so the next product that I'm going to be showing you guys is my absolute favorite product from Artistry. If you could get any product from this brand, it would be this one that I'm about to show you. You know, this is like my me time. Skincare is the time where I get to give myself a little TLC. It's very important that you have these kind of moments because you only have one skin. Your skin is your biggest organ and you want to be making sure you take care of it. If you want to be crusty, that's on you. What is a personalized serum, you may ask? Well, I'm about to show you. This right here is Artistry's personalized serum. I freaking love this product, guys. If you could drop some good coin on some skincare, this is what you should be dropping your money on because this is what's been changing my skin and why people have been noticing a difference in my skin. Before I was using this, my skin was how it usually looked. Like, it wasn't bad. I was maintaining it. But this right here is just taking my skincare to the next level. I typically do 2 pumps. Again, we're going to press into your skin. So you could choose up to 3 things for what you need in your serum, whether it's wrinkle care, whatever it's firmness, elasticity, brightening, spotting, hydration. So I'm about to show you the ones that I chose. So I have the brightening, and this one is for spotting since I have freckles and a lot of dark spots, and then hydration because my skin is really dry. Brightening, this is for like dull skin. My skin can be pretty dull, especially during the winter. So you just want to make sure that your skin is looking fresh throughout the year. I really love this product. It feels so gentle on my skin too. I feel like in the past when I use serums, they kind of would work for a little bit, but then after a while it would just stop. I felt like the effects of the serum weren't as effective in, you know, helping my skin with whatever issue it was. Because that's what a serum is. It's supposed to basically target particular needs that you have. This serum has been doing this, that, and all of the above. So I've really been loving it. If you guys want to try this out, please do. I really want to hear more about how you guys feel about this product and how it's changed for you. So I highly recommend getting this product. If you guys are interested, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to show you how it's been helping me. And we're gonna finish off with a moisturizer that I've been using for the winter time. This is a really amazing high quality product. What I really like about this moisturizer I've been using by Artistry, this is their Illuminating Moisture Cream. The best way I like to describe this cream, it's almost like a gel cream. It's a cream in a sense, it's thick and it's going to moisturize your skin and make sure your skin is staying hydrated, but it's not greasy and it's not gonna break you out. It comes with the spatula. I just don't want to put my fingers in there to get more bacteria. All 4 areas of my face, until my nose. My nose has been dry lately. Then I'll just take the leftover. I'll pat it into my skin all over. And once it's like patted in, that's when I start to rub it in my pores. I always put the leftover on my neck. I'm not trying to look cute here or anything like that. Like, this is how I do my skin. So this is how I'm gonna do it. Yeah, guys, what's new with everybody? I've been listening to a lot of Red Velvet. If you guys have not heard their Really Bad Boy album, it is so good. I think this sound that they have, this era that they're in, is like a more like mature vibe of Red Velvet that like we've all been waiting for. One of my favorite songs from the album is Butterflies. It's such a cute song. You guys gotta see their live performance. The choreo is like the cutest thing. I just love Red Velvet because everybody in that group is talented. They're absolutely gorgeous. All of them can sing and dance. Like, no other member overpowers the other person. I feel like all of them are equally the same. You feel me on that? So yeah, that pretty much concludes my skincare tutorial. If this does well and you guys really like it, I will make a part 2, which will be a makeup routine that I've been doing. If you guys want to see that, please let me know. But of course, this video has to do well. It just depends on if people watch this video or not. I'll decide to do a makeup tutorial. I miss you guys so much. I hope that your Christmas holiday has been going well. I'm really excited for the new year. I have a lot of exciting things planned out for the new year. A lot of goals and things on my bucket list that I'm trying to achieve. 2019 is going to be a kick-ass year. I really love 2018. It was kind of an up and down for me. I graduated, went through a breakup, got a new job. Yeah, I've just been really enjoying and loving life. It's been good. There's absolutely no complaints. I really love you guys, all you guys that have been supporting me, all my friends, my family, my coworkers. You guys are just seriously such amazing people. Like, I don't know what I'd do without you guys. You guys are just so sweet to me. I really don't know why you guys are just so sweet to me sometimes, because I'm just me, okay? But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.